Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's videos we will be covering how do I say this? Butterfly locks over locks. Yes. So my homegirl here, she has locks or decided to lock her hair. But she was like, I want butterfly locks, and I was like, I got you, sis. It was a little challenge at first, but here we are. So as you can see, I am retwisting each section like normally. And I know you guys are thinking like, oh my God, this takes long. It doesn't. It really doesn't. It really didn't take that long. I think it took me like 4 hours to do this style total. But I guess it just depends on how big everybody's locks are. Thank God I didn't have to combine any. So as you can see here, I just take each individual lock, retwist it. And then this is the part here you gotta pay attention to. So take my crochet needle, apply the lock first, the little loop. These locks are, pre-locked or whatever. You can buy them at the beauty supply store. I loop it through the little hole on top, and then I fold her lock about halfway. I don't like to go up to the base of where her retwist is, because this is still a retwist, and I want to make sure, her hair is growing properly and healthy underneath this protective style. So then this is the wet, wavy, curly hair in number 1 through 1B. I loop it through the top, of her lock where I just retwisted. And now what you see me doing is I wrap it around the base. I think I did that like 7 times just to make sure it was secure. Her retwist was retwisted. And then, I just tucked her real hair underneath. So that's what you see me doing here, is just wrapping the base. The little pieces, the little pelitos kept getting like stuck on my thumbs. But I got it figured out after a minute. So yeah, I wrapped it around like 6 or 7 times just so I could see like if you notice the base, it kind of tightened up a little bit till it tightened up to my satisfaction, and that's when I worked my way down the lock. And as you'll see here in a second, to create the little butterfly loop, I stick my thumb in the way, right here, in the way of the twist, and I just wrap it around like normal. I do that about twice, just so when I start wrapping the lock again, it kind of creates a little fluffy bit. So I did that about 3 or 4 times. I kind of randomized it just to kind of keep it more, locks are kind of like I don't want to say messier style, but it's not perfect, so just to try to keep with that. And when I ran out of hair, I didn't wrap it all the way down just so I had something to hold on to. I grabbed another piece of hair and then kept wrapping like normal. So I think I used about 2 or 3 pieces per each lock itself. And yeah, so here you see me doing it again. I wrap my thumb twice, and then I pull, and then I keep wrapping. And then once I get all the way to the end, which you'll see me do here in a second, you gotta wrap the hair all the way down till there's no hair left. And once I got all the way down, made sure everything was tight, and I used my lighter just to seal the ends. You don't want to go too heavy on the lighter. I know some stylists use glue. Sometimes the glue can dry white, which I don't like, and my clients don't like either. But you'll see me here, I'll take my little lighter, just melt the hair a little bit just to secure it, and then boom, you're all good to go. See how beautiful and formed? And I did the pull test just to make sure she wasn't in any pain. So here you see me doing it again, just on a different section. Same method, retwisting it first, making sure I grab every little strand of hair first, do my little retwist, pin it, and then start the wrapping process. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'd appreciate if you can like, comment, subscribe, share, feedback, follow me on my Instagrams and my TikToks and my social accounts, and just, yeah, I appreciate all that stuff. Thank you guys for all your love and support, and until next time.